The River Mersey, a major waterway in England, is facing an alarming crisis. PFAS, or forever chemicals, are synthetic substances that persist in the environment for thousands of years. A new study has found shockingly high levels of PFAS flowing into the River Mersey. Exposure to PFAS has been linked to various health problems, including cancer. Wastewater treatment plants and industrial sites are major contributors to the PFAS pollution in the Mersey. Urgent action is needed to address the PFAS crisis and protect the health of the River Mersey and its inhabitants. Like and subscribe for more.